Hello, it's Richard, Los Angeles. Today is November 21, 2021. I wanted to go over Tron very quickly and then the crypto.com token. And I find it I'm very bullish on crypto.com. I had my eye, it was on my radar, and I had my eye on crypto.com. And, but I'll get into it in a second. But overall today, the market, Bitcoin dropped from its highs from a week ago. Now it dropped considerably, about 10,000, which is a lot for each token. But overall, the overall market is down. I'm bullish on XRP. They have a lawsuit, and XRP, it's a token to get into because this could be trading up to like $50 a unit, if not more, like Solana. Solana is at $228. It peaked at, I think, $270 a couple of weeks ago. But once the lawsuit with XRP is done and over with, this is going to take off. And I'm intending to buy a lot into XRP because they are already a proven product. They have a worldwide, I think, multi-billion users. They have like, the ecosystem is very, very positive, very, very expansive. And they've already been established. I think they've been around for at least 10 years. So it's really a hidden gem. And, I want to get into Tron. I am really hooked on Tron. It's about 10.89 cents, and it's holding pretty steady and very strong compared to the downturn in the market overall. And it hit a high of like 12 cents like a week ago. But I don't, my philosophy is not the temporary ups and downs, but the long-term hold. And imagine if you have so many tokens into an investment in Tron and it hits $1, which it will hit $1, then wow. I mean, that's and imagine if it goes up to $10 a token. So I'm going to make a little comment on Tron compared to crypto.com, because I think Justin Sun really needs to open his eyes up compared to what crypto.com is doing right now. Okay, so first of all, my disclaimer is that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not advising you to purchase or buy anything whatsoever. This is strictly my own journey into my own personal investments, and I do want to be financially independent. And but at the same time, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the dislike button, leave a comment. If you have any questions that you feel that I can answer, leave it down in the comments. I'll respond to you. And I appreciate my loyal followers. I do know I have some followers that are watching my videos, but this is for everybody, with me sharing my personal beliefs, opinions, and life experiences. And here we go with crypto.com. So crypto.com, they have Mark Damon advertising for crypto.com recently. And I think other tokens are going to follow the same. Other tokens are going to follow the same path. They're going to reach out to these movie celebrities, I think, within the next several months, and start paying them for advertising on their channel. If they don't, I think it's very foolish them not to do so. And this is what I wanted to, I'll get into Tron in relation to crypto.com. So the world's fastest growing crypto app. So crypto.com is actually an app. I have not opened an account with crypto.com, but I will, because it has a lot of staking features and you can make a lot of money buying other tokens like Elrond Gold, and just watch your money grow. And really, like the crypto world to me is strictly gambling. And I've said that before in all my videos. It's all gambling to me. It has utility, gaming, NFTs, and that's great. But you got to ask yourself, where is all this money coming from? It's not really Wall Street. And I think, you know, I'm going to leave it there. But as this is growing, you know, you're looking at the overall market is about, what, $2.66 trillion. If you see up here, $2.66 trillion. It was $1 trillion approximately around January, February, or let me say earlier this year. So now it's tripled in just about 11 months. And I can see this going up to $10 trillion. The overall global market on stocks are about $100 trillion. So if this goes from 2.66 trillion up to 10 trillion, and you already invested early in the crypto market, as a gambler, it's all gambling to me. But you know, you got to catch the wave before it takes off, so that way, you know, you can get some life-changing money. And I'm seeing it all over YouTube, and I believe it. It's not hype or fallacy that people are making millions off of crypto, and they buy early and sell high. So imagine the overall market cap going up to $10 trillion, and I see that happening within the next couple of years. It can happen within a year into end of next year, because the reason why I say this is because already the House already passed a multi-billion-dollar social program, and then they're also pushing for the $1 trillion capital improvement projects in the United States. And once that passed, that's another stimulus. And that's how come all the stock market and the crypto world have reached these new highs, is due to the stimulus that has been passed a couple of times within the last year and a half. And once we pass, so then it puts a lot of money out there. Inflation is going up. And not only that, it puts money into the people's hands, and either they go to Vegas and blow it in Vegas or whatever. You know, you spend the money how you see fit. Right now, from what I've studied in pattern recognition from the early 70s all the way into 2021, there are certain bubbles in history that you got to capture that moment. And you can ride the gravy train and become financially independent. And a lot of millionaires will not tell you their secret how they got rich. That has never. I don't know of any millionaire, and I've worked for millionaires and billionaires, and you know it's a trade secret. You know, for me being an employee, I cannot tell you how this millionaire or billionaire made their money. I know that stupid people became rich off of real estate, and you that are watching my video are a lot more smarter than the stupid people that I've worked for that became rich in real estate. And the point that I'm saying is that you could become rich from real estate. You could. Your chances of being rich in real estate outweighs and is far more superior than any other investment compared to stocks and cryptos. So real estate is really the backbone of the economy. And if you invest in real estate, you could see yourself getting financially independent in about a 10 to a 30-year time frame. You can't do it overnight, but you know, you can buy apartments, the rental income, the present investment in apartments is your future ticket to independence, because that rental income could subsidize your Social Security and your other investments portfolio and provide you the cash income that you need when you do retire. So, and I'll be doing more videos on that in the future. So subscribe, hit the like button, dislike button, comment. If you don't, hey, that's up to you. I'm really trying to share my knowledge with my hardcore audience, my believers, and hopefully you can take something from it and it can do you a lot of good. So you got to look at the macro. Going back to the coin market cap, you got to look at the macro and the micro. And this 2.66, it was 2.88 just a couple of weeks ago. Now, it did take a correction, but this could go to $10 trillion. I can see it double into next year. And so you got to get on early. I'm not advising you to invest. Okay, now Crypto.com just came out recently in the news of purchasing the Staples Center, and I worked for AEG. I was an accounting consultant there, and I was a consultant there for about a year, and I know the people there. I know the employees, the management, and they. When I was a consultant there as an accountant for approximately a year, it was truly a really interesting time. I really enjoyed working there. They're very, very, very nice people. So you have here the Staples Center, and then you have the Nokia Center. Nokia sold out. And that's where they have the stadium for rock concerts. I saw the B-52s, the first performance at the Nokia Center in 2009. I saw the B-52s there. I had first class pass. I got I had the perfect seats. I had the red carpet because I was a consultant. And the vice president was very, very nice to me to allow me that opportunity. And I'm very grateful to that vice president. They're very, very nice people. So, okay. I hope I'm not boring you. Okay. I just want to share with you some personal experiences. But recently, Crypto.com was bought with it's for $700 million. Staples Center being renamed to Crypto.com Arena in reported $700 million deal between AEG and cryptocurrency platform. Imagine that. In what is said to be one of the biggest naming rights deals in U.S. history. Can you imagine that? The biggest naming rights in U.S. history? Downtown Los Angeles Staples Center will become Crypto.com Arena beginning Christmas Day. That's just another 25 days from now, or at least 30 days. The deal between Singapore-based cryptocurrency exchange and AEG is worth $700 million, according to multiple reports. As part of the deal, Crypto.com becomes an official cryptocurrency platform partner of the Los Angeles Lakers and the LA Kings. The deal becomes official on Christmas Day, which just happens to be the occasion of the NBA's highest profile regular season game, a nationally televised contest between Lakers and the Brooklyn Nets at the newly christened LA Arena. The new logo for the building and premium branded arena areas of the arena, including a 3,300 square foot activation space at the building entrance, are to be unveiled on Christmas Day. Given the artist's rendering of the arena released by Crypto.com, one would assume the deal also includes the building iconic rooftop banner. Wow. So my take on this is the currency for Crypto.com right now is about 72 cents. And if you can see here, it's about 72 cents, and it's been it's been taken off. So, it's crypto.com, CRO. It's 72 cents, and it was, I think, 54 cents just yesterday. Imagine if you got into this, I don't want to say a week ago, but you can see it's got an upward trend on the graph. How it's just like, it's mooning. It's like, it goes high, and then I don't see why no one would want to buy into this. If you look at the 1 year growth pattern, it was less than 10 cents, and less than 10 cents. And already it's like, it stayed around 12 cents, 15 cents for most of the year. And then just recently, with this new news of a $700 million deal, it just took off 72 cents. It's going to hit $1. And I do see it going to $10 and more. It's really exciting news. CRO, crypto.com. And what I did is I got into it. I bought $5,000 worth of crypto.com. You can see here in my account. They took out about $112 in fees on Coinbase, but crypto.com CRO is traded on Coinbase, and I've got 6,747 units in crypto.com. It's trading at around 72 cents. So once this hits $10, this portfolio is going to be about $67,000. And so there you go. I put in $5,000 into crypto.com CRO, and I'm going to watch this thing take off. 67,000 is not a lot of money. It is a lot of money, but I really wish I could put more into it right now. But I don't have it. I was lucky to get the 5,000, and right away, I put it into crypto.com today, and let's see where it goes. I have a lot of faith into it. They've got Mark Damon as an advertiser. Oh, let me go back to what I'm saying about Tron and crypto.com together. If Justin Sun is really keeping his eye on this, he should be doing the same thing, where he could purchase a stadium and start, doing the same thing what crypto.com did. Now, Tron and crypto.com, they're both in Singapore. They are in that same country. So it's just, this guy might be getting some information about, he might be doing it, or he's just waking up to it. So my feeling, or my prophetic belief, is that Justin is going to do something similar. I don't know where it's going to be. It could be in New York. It can also be in Los Angeles, because Los Angeles is booming. And if he does something similar to this, imagine if you had bought into Tron at 10 cents right now. Imagine where it's going to go after Tron, Justin Sun, buys a stadium and starts doing the similar effect of getting an actor or an actress to advertise as a showpiece in the United States. Imagine where Tron will hit. Tron will reach way above $1, and I don't know what else I can say, but I have a feeling that Tron is going to do something similar. They are going to do something similar. It's just a matter of, it takes time, and it works in the background where you don't see it until it hits the newspapers. And we didn't see any information about crypto.com doing, working out a deal with AEG, because they have to keep it quiet. And because they have a lot of competitors, and they got to hit the nail into the coffin before it hits the news, or else their deal can be ruined. Because competitors will attempt to ruin their competition in doing such a mega deal, such as Crypto.com and AEG. AEG, they're very nice people working for them. They asked me for my resume. I did not. It's a different story, but I really wish I stuck it out there. Gave them my resume. They would have hired me. But at any rate, I did not work for AEG. Very, very nice people, very professional. I could not say enough about them. I know management there. So this is where the future is. Cryptos are here. I was very skeptical about it this year. Now I'm really bullish on cryptos. And you can see here, goodbye Staples Center, hello Crypto.com arena. So there you go. You guys have it. My rant for today. I'm not advising you to invest whatsoever. I also will be releasing my video on land investment. There's an area in Kingman which is very interesting, and I call it the Golden Triangle between Vegas, Laughlin, Lake Havasu, and Kingman. I call that area the Golden Triangle. There's Highway 11, super highway from Mexico, all the way up through Canada, which goes through Vegas. There's a lot of mega projects going on over there. So I'll be releasing that out pretty soon. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and have a great day.